girls, you can see the screen, no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, I'm asking
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Ma'am, half screen.
Okay, okay.
Half
Yes,
screen is
How?
ma'am, it's
coming, ma'am.
coming. No, ma'am,
Just
it's
see
full only.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The screen is
the
full.
screen only. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So we'll move. Okay. Now you can take out your rough notebooks or fair notebooks and start writing. We are in the following words and phrases to form meaningful sentences. And then, as I've taught you all before, write in the margin the date, and then you write communicative English, your topic, and below that the topic. Rearrange the following words and phrases to form meaningful sentences. And then the first five you all do it, and then I'm going to ask the answer. Okay? So you'll have to do it in your notebook and then present it to me. Okay? Girls, you'll understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So all of you all take care of your rough books or fair books, whatever, and write
Ma'am,
neatly. And then after you finish the first five, yes,
ma'am, we directly write the
you
answer or
say,
we
ma'am.
need to write the question?
No, you have to write the question, write the question, answer, write the question, answer. And once the first five are done, you have to show me on your screen, okay?
Okay.
So all of you start writing. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
write neatly so that when you present the screen, it is good, okay? Girls, just let me know when you're finished.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody's writing? Girls?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is finished the first one?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, I. Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, I. Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
So
I
one.
say. Ma'am, I.
Okay. One second, one second. Okay, you don't have to shout. Just one girl. You tell me your
Ma'am,
name later
I'm
and then you can
Ma'am,
answer.
I.
Aisha, ma'am, Aisha. I'm free.
No name.
Ma'am, Aisha.
Aisha
Ma'am.
what? Aisha what?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I'm
want to
telling
say.
first one.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I want to say.
one
Ma'am,
second.
just.
Let Aisha complete. Then we'll go to the second. Aisha,
Okay,
tell
ma'am,
me.
Yes. Nitish rode his new blue bike.
Nitish rode his new blue bike. Now, Nitish will be in what? Capital letter or small letter?
Capital letter. Because it is name of a person.
Hmm. Oh, okay. Now, please, now your turn is over, so you will not say Miss I. Okay?
Second
Ma'am,
I.
Next
Ma'am,
word.
second I.
Ma'am, can I say
Misbah.
Fatima?
Ma'am, I want to say Ma'am Noor.
Misbah.
Ma'am
Fatima.
Noor.
Misbah.
See, I to say together
Ma'am,
is
can I want?
Ma'am,
also.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
say.
ma'am, I want to say.
Misbah. I said
Yes,
Misbah.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, can I say
You
now?
said me you want to say the answer, so please say the answer.
There are two birds in the nest.
Okay. Okay. Now your turn is over, Misbah. Your turn is over. Okay. Next, I want
Okay.
Aisha Sheikh. Aisha Sheikh.
Ma'am, I say.
Aisha Sheikh, I said. I called out the name, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha Sheikh.
Yes.
Please tell me the third answer.
Short answer. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
2
your
minutes.
turn is come. Aisha. Sheikh Aisha.
Mr. Shyam, our teacher has a cat named Timmy. No, ma'am.
Do you think girls is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No,
Can I say it
no,
correctly?
ma'am.
Okay.
Nayani Mohadesa.
Okay. I want.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I.
I am calling out. 1 second. I want Umiani Burma to say. Umiani, tell me the third answer if you are there. Umiani, are you there, beta?
Ma'am,
Can
I.
I say Fatima?
Imani Pizza.
Ma'am, can I say?
Bimani Pizza. Everybody will get a chance. So stop unmuting your mic, beta. Bimani Pizza.
Yes, ma'am.
Pizza, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, the third answer she said, but do you think tell me the third answer. Third answer.
A good place is a park for walk.
Third answer. No. I'm talking about the third answer. Third one. Question 33. Because
Yes, ma'am.
somebody said it was slightly wrong.
Ma'am, I
So please
say.
tell me the third one. Pizza, I'm waiting. Pizza,
Our
I'm
teacher,
waiting for you.
Mr.
Pizza.
Shyam, is a cat named Timmy. Ma'am, I say.
Ma'am, I say.
Ma'am, can
She's
I
saying,
say?
pizza is saying no, beta. Pizza, I have Ayel pizza, beta. Bimani pizza. Pizza, you're going to answer or you're not going to answer, beta? Hmm?
Ma'am, can you ask somebody else?
Okay. Budani Anam Fatima.
Ma'am, I.
That's what I said. Budani Anam
Yes.
Fatima. Budani Anam Fatima. Please tell me the third answer, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one. Please answer the third one. Please read the question properly. Mr. Sham, our has teacher named Timmy Cat. Come on now. Rearrange them to form a proper sentence better.
Our teacher, Mr.
Pause.
Shyam,
Mhm.
has a Timmy named cat.
No, it is wrong.
Ma'am, I say, ma'am, can I say?
Can I say?
Okay. Next after
Ma'am,
Burania.
I want. Ma'am, Noor.
Burania and Fatima. You tried Alice.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Yes.
Everybody wants to
Can
say, but
I?
how come everybody? Because I want
Ma'am.
to try.
Ma'am.
Okay, what for? One second. Dholia
Ma'am,
Shifa.
Ma'am.
Dholia Shifa, please tell me the third sentence. Yes, beta.
Can I?
yes.
If you go
Ma'am,
on
can I
unmuting
say?
your mic, I'll not give you a chance.
Yes.
Yes, tell me, beta, who is this? Can I say? Can you tell me the name first? Give me
Ma'am,
your name
Noorin.
so that.
Sileja.
Ma'am, Noorin.
Sileja Ahmad.
Please say the answer. Maganwan.
Yes. Mr. Sham has teacher our a cat named Timmy.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, can I say it
Okay.
correctly, Fatima?
No, beta. Yes, Fatima, come on, say.
Okay. Mr. Shyam, our teacher, has named a cat Timmy.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Mara 34. Yes, beta.
Can I? Ma'am, can I?
Tell me your name.
Sileja Mariam.
Just tell me your name and say that. Yes, Silesia
Sileja
Matem.
Mariam.
Yes, say the answer, beta.
Mr. Sham and has named
Yes.
Mr. Sham has named Timmy cat. Ma'am, can I?
So what about our teacher?
Ma'am, can I?
What about our teacher? Yes, beta. Come on.
Our teacher, Mr. Sham, has
Misbah is
a
asking. Who is asking, beta, please?
Misbah.
Has a cat.
Our teacher, Mr. Sham, has cat named
Our teacher
Timmy.
has a cat named Timmy.
Timmy.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the fourth one I'm going to ask. Fourth one I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask. One second. Let me check the name. Dere Mubashira is there. Mubashira. Fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Dere Mubashira.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the fourth answer. Come on.
उसका पूरा वर्ड बनाना है ना सेंटेंस.
You have to make a full sentence, beta. पूरा sentence बनाने का. You have to make a sentence. Form a sentence, beta.
Ma'am, which one?
Fourth one, and she is answering. Mubashira is answering. So nobody will answer out of turn. Beta, be fast. Give a turn to other one.
Ma'am, she is not answering.
Humaira, I want Humaira to answer. Humaira,
Yes.
Humaira,
Yes, ma'am.
fourth one. Fourth one, Humaira, please answer. Ganyani Humaira, come on.
Walk for a place with
Your voice is echoing or somebody is saying? Somebody else is saying?
My sister.
No, oh, it's not right, beta. Okay, okay. Umeda, it is not correct. Kakani Sara. 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 Kakani Sara. Is there? Kakani Sara. Okay, Kasmani Fatima. Kasmani Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasmani Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the fourth answer.
Park is a
Come on,
place.
read fast. Now everybody would have
Park
completed it.
Park is a place. Lake walk for good.
No, beta, it's wrong. It's wrong. So I want now Pokhar Nurin. Pokhar Nurin.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
tell the correct answer.
Yeah.
Fourth one. Fourth one, beta. Who can say?
Ma'am, I
Pokhar
say
Nurin. Are you trying, beta?
No. Park is a
No, I'm
place.
asking. No, I'm asking. Sorry. What place? What, beta?
Park is a place for.
Okay. Okay, Fatima Lada. Fatima Lada. Lada Fatima.
Yes,
Lada Fatima.
ma'am.
Please tell me the fourth answer.
Park is a place for a walk. Place good.
Ma'am, can I say?
One. Follow. Follow the name.
Ma'am,
Lakhani.
can I say?
Beta, I will. Lakhani Mahek.
Yes.
Can I say?
Yes, say the first thing, ma'am. Can I say? What's your name? What? Say the
Miss
name, beta. First thing, beta.
Miss Ba.
Conversation.
First tell me your name and then tell the answer.
Miss Ba.
Beta.
Chambal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Who's that girl saying yes, ma'am? Tell me your name, beta.
Miss Ba, ma'am.
Huh?
Miss Ba.
Miss, कैसे answer first?
Park Lake is a good place for walk.
Dance later on. It is
Park
slightly.
Lake is a good place for walk.
There, come on. 9 minutes. Okay. Anybody else? Rupan is enough.
ma'am, I say Nayani Madesa.
Ma'am, can I say Ruhin?
Yes, please.
Lake Park is a good place for a walk. Lake Park is a
It
good
is
place,
spa, a good
for walk.
walk. Okay, very good. Now I'm calling out the name of the next girl. Lakhani Zainab. Lakhani Zainab. Lakhani Zainab. Are you there? Lakhani Zainab. Okay. Merchant Ponen. Merchant Ponen. Ponen. Okay, she's not answering. Tafsir. Nakwi Tafsir. Nanny Fatima Zahra. No. Nanny Modessa. Nanny Modessa.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nanny Modessa. Yes. My Miss Bhai, you better keep silent for some time. Nani Madhusa, now tell the first answer.
In Arunachal Pradesh, the winter snow stays in the mountains.
No, beta, no. No, it is wrong.
Can
Beta.
I
Try
say?
again. Misbah, try.
Yes, ma'am. In Arunachal Pradesh, the mountains on the winters snow stays strong.
No, wrong. It is wrong, beta. Wrong. Tawang is a name. Tawang is a name.
Tawang in
Properly.
Arunachal Pradesh. Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. Snow stays in the mountain.
So let me tell you the answer. Let me give you a hint. In Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, it begins like that. In
Ma'am,
Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh in bracket. In Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Misbah, come on.
in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, the mountains on the winters snow stays.
No, wrong. No, wrong, beta. Anybody else, beta? Rupani Zainab, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
try.
ma'am.
Six one.
Okay, ma'am.
Arunachal Pradesh. Yes.
Rupani Zainab.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupani Zainab. Tell me the fifth answer, beta. I'm waiting for you.
Okay,
And I've
ma'am.
given you the starting. That in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh is bracket.
Ma'am, in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, on the
Mas-
winter mountains stays snow. Ma'am, can I say?
No, beta.
Ma'am, my voice is coming.
Ma'am,
Hello. Ma'am, my voice is coming.
Not correct. It was not correct, beta.
Hello, ma'am.
Get
Ma'am,
the
can I say now?
beta.
In Tawang, Arunachal
ma'am,
Pradesh,
Together.
snow stays on the mountains in the winters.
Wait, beta.
ma'am,
What? No, wrong. Yes.
In Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, snow
Name and
stays
say
on the mountains in the winters.
Very good. Who is this again? Misbah. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now you have written the correct answers, all of you. Have you written the correct
मैम
answers?
फिर से रिपीट करो ना.
Girls, I'm asking you a question. Okay, I'm telling the answer. In Tawang, in bracket, you're right, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, snow stays on the mountains in the winter.
Snow stays on
Tawang,
the
bracket, you're right, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, snow
mountain.
stays on the mountains in winter.
Snow
In the
stays mountain.
Who is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the noise coming from? Okay, now all of you will be silent.
ma'am.
I'm reading the answer. So those who are missed out can write that. Yes, beta. Who is that? Tell me, beta. Tell me your name. You are saying it when you are not talking, beta. What is it, beta? You are saying Ruby ma'am. Who is that, beta? Tell me your name. Tell me your name. See, when I start speaking, all of you will interrupt. When I'm asking, nobody is answering. So now nobody is going to answer me. I'm just reading the answers. Okay? You can correct it and write it neatly in the communicative English book. So write the question and the answer. Both you have to write. Okay. So the first one is Nitish rode his new bike. The first answer is Nitish rode his new bike. The second one is there are two birds in a nest. There are two birds in a nest. The third is our teacher, Mr. Sham, has a cat named Timmy. Our teacher, Mr. Sham, has a cat named Timmy. Fourth one is Lake Park is a good place for a walk. Lake Park is a good place for a walk. The fifth one, in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh in bracket, snow stays on the mountain in the winter. Okay?
Yes,
So all of
ma'am.
you have
Ma'am,
written all the
Can you repeat the last one, please?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
last one I'll just read. In Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, snow stays on the mountains in the winter. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to send this photo to Siddhi, ma'am.
No, not now because you have already written it. 1 second. First, I'm going to give you some more. Okay? Okay. So we'll move to the next slide. Okay. Now, please, nobody is going to say Miss I, Miss I, Miss I. Please. Okay? There is a feature over there. Raise your hand. Okay? There is a feature over there. So if you raise your hand, I can see your name and then you can answer. Okay? Okay, now the next one is grandmother in the plate and her park, Sunita. Come on. So please, the first one,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I say,
who will raise the hand?
Ma'am, I
Aslam,
had raised.
no, nobody
ma'am, I
will focus, raise the hand.
Ma'am, I had raised the hand.
If you
Ma'am,
all go
I
on asking me, I will. No, but Aslam Kokar has raised first. Okay, so let us complete. Aslam Kokar, who is that? Kokar Nurin.
Nurain.
Now please say the answer. Six one. Nurin, 6-1. Nurin, 6-1. 6-1.
Yeah.
Please say the answer, Nurin.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the answer better. I'm waiting for you. You raise your hand. Oh my God, who is that? Nurin in your house?
Odessa, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Modesta, who is that? But somebody at the back is better. 1 second.
no, ma'am,
Nurin
it's
is
not
saying or
from
not?
my.
Is the answer not?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay. So I'm
Sunita
going to. No,
grandmother
but
played
every time
in
why
the
you are
park.
saying that.
So,
Ma'am, can I say?
What
Sunita,
was Sunita?
Sunita and
Sunita
her
and her
grandmother played
grandmother
in the park.
Ma'am, both are saying together. We can't listen anything.
Okay.
Sunita, Sunita
Misbah,
and her
Misbah,
grandmother played
Misbah,
in the park.
Ma'am,
interrupting.
Sunita and her grandmother played in the park.
Sunita and her
Okay.
grandmother played
All of you
in
are not
park.
correct. But next time you'll, but I know now you
Yes,
have got it.
ma'am.
Please keep quiet. And you are going on speaking in spite of repeated reminders not to unmute your mic. You are still unmuting and speaking. I told you I'll call out the names, but you are not understanding. You are in 8th standard now, no beta? Hmm? So now I'm going to ask number seventh one to 1 second. Ravjani Sane Zehra is not present. Rajani Sakina. Rajani Sakina.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
answer seventh one. Rajani Sakina.
Yes,
Seventh.
ma'am.
Yes, try it. Come on. Rajani Sakina, are you trying? Are you trying better? Rajani Sakina, I'm asking you a question. Are you trying? Rajani Sakina, are you trying better?
Ma'am, she left.
Sakina, you are not going to answer or you are still trying better? She
Ma'am,
left.
she
Okay.
left.
Now give a chance to. Okay,
Ma'am,
okay,
good
I know
night.
that. Okay, now I want
Ma'am,
Rupani Zainab. Rupani, you will get a turn. Rupani Zainab better.
yes, ma'am.
Rupani Zainab,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking you questions. Please try the seventh one. Seventh one. Seventh one.
A beautiful bird found she.
Mirza is not going to answer till the end. Let me tell you, give you a few my friends, starting with my friends. Rupani Zainab, start with my friends. Oh, take it.
My friend
What is that?
found a beautiful bird when at was park.
Okay, okay, girls. It is not correct. And anyway, I will continue in the next class because time is up. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
girls. Bye. Good day.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Hmm.
Bye.